in the previous wiring, the AC panel received the power from shore or from generator or from inverter, depending if I select inverter or shore power or generator. In this design, the people say, no. I want that my AC panel always receive the power from this inverter. Always. No. And what happened with my generator and my shore power? Hey, wait. This inverter have an AC input, and the AC input for that inverter is coming from this automatic transfer switch. And this transfer switch says, okay, I am going to receive AC from shore power, and in this moment this inverter receives power from AC shore power. Some amount of power is directly sent into the AC panel, and other amount of power is sent to recharge the battery bank. Nice, no? Suddenly somebody disconnect the shore power and the generator start automatically, and this element intelligent pass automatically to generator and receive the power from the generator, and once again receive power from the generator and send power, AC power, here. In other words, here at the input AC, this inverter receive power, doesn't matter if it's from shore power or from generator. Then that element decide, is intelligent. The battery bank is fully charged. Okay, I am going to send that power directly into the AC panel. That power coming from shore or from generator. No. One moment. In this moment, the battery bank is discharged. Okay, I am going to send one portion of power for the panel and other portion with the battery charger located inside of this small battery charger. I am going to recharge the battery bank. Is clear or not?